Alright, what you are seeing here is my 10-gallon planted aquarium where I have successfully bred ghost shrimp. I never even thought I could do that. That might be a buried female right there in the screen. Also in here I have Dalmatian mollies, and we have babies, or fry as they like to call them in the aquarium world. And we also have snails. I have one netherite racer snail, and I'm guessing these are trumpet snails. I'm assuming that's what they are. I have quite a number of them in here. Let me pan across here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see any of the baby shrimp or not, but that was a total surprise for me. Baby ghost shrimp in this tank. I didn't think it would happen. We might be able to catch one of the fry over there somewhere. So I just fed them, so there's quite a bit of action going on. Water wisteria is prevalent throughout this tank. I have some Anubis plants and some Java moss and a pair of zebradanios. As I said, the ghost shrimp breeding successfully is quite a surprise for me, and I have to say, I guess I'm doing something right in this tank. Just doing some regular water changes, added some eggshells and a little bit of aquarium salt just to harden up the water for the mollies, and so far we seem to be having a successful ecosystem going on here. Just a quick update of this tank. We get over here, we have a, see if you can see that. I'm assuming it's a female over there in the corner. Another one just popped up, I think. Running on to 3 minutes. Let me call this a done deal. Oh, wait a minute. Over there we got a tiny fry all by its lonesome. A bigger fry up there at the top. Hopefully you can see it through the glare. And of course the Dalmatian mollies, adult size. Ha ha ha. Alright, I guess we'll say good night and have a good day.